See you. So we're going on a trip, man. Our favorite rocket ship, cruising through the sky.
I take that back.
So today we're going to the fair. Yeah, we're going to the fair. We're gonna see some of our family members. My sister and my niece and them are gonna be there.
They going to the fair too?
Yeah.
Too mean to you.
So let's get to this road trip.
Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your
We made it to our destination. Looking for my mom now. So yeah. I'm at the house. What's up? Yeah, we gonna come.
fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your What is
You see the little secret door back here?
Well, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you didn't even see it.
This is where me and Maya can play games all Me too!
So yeah, it might be official. I'm just saying, you know. We out here looking for houses and stuff. We're looking for houses. This is the living room. Open concept to the kitchen and the dining room. Ooh, I'm gonna sleep now. Good night. Now we're about to pull up this. Go ahead. She don't know what she's looking for.
And they got a card holder exclusive.
So you about to sign up for a card?
I ain't getting not one more card right now.
Go ahead. You might as well try. New year, new me. And this beard looks fierce. If I go to the mail section, I'll find out. I might get my black stuff out of here. You buying anything?
Yeah, my phone. I'll take time.
We're on our way to the fair. Finally.
Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your
So we finally made it to our destination. Cows to the left. Cows to the further left. It's a new movement over here. It's a new movement. Let's go down this way. Let's go down this way. All right, guys.
All right, guys.